In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Truist online banking account in 2025 step by step. This process is straightforward, but following these steps will ensure you log in smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other trusted browser you prefer. Once the browser is ready, head over to your search bar. You'll enter Truist Bank right there. Now, hitting enter will bring up a list of search results, but usually the official Truist website should appear right at the top. It's important to select the official website, which is usually labeled as truist.com, to ensure you're navigating to the secure site directly. When you see the first result from your search, go ahead and give it a click. This will take you to the Truist Bank's homepage. You're in the right place if you see the familiar Truist logo and branding. Now, the next steps require your personal login credentials, so be sure to have those nearby. Next, you'll locate the login section of the homepage. Usually, it's a prominent feature on the page, making it easy to find. Here, you're going to enter your user ID. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid any errors. The user ID is a critical part of your login credentials, so double check for any typos. Following that, the next box will require your password. Take your time to enter this accurately as well. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you find yourself dealing with a forgotten password situation, most sites, including Truist, offer a forgot password option nearby to assist you in resetting it. Once both the user ID and password are entered accurately, you'll see the Sign In button. This is often highlighted or displayed prominently to capture your attention. Go ahead and click Sign In. This action completes your login attempt, and if both your user ID and password are correct, you should be directed to your Truist online banking dashboard. Logging into your Truist online account successfully grants you access to a wide range of banking features and services at your fingertips. From here, you can manage accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and much more. If for any reason you encounter difficulties logging in, it might be worth checking your internet connection or ensuring that your browser is up to date. Also, double check your credentials for accuracy and contact Truist customer support if you need further assistance. And there you have it, an easy to follow guide to accessing your Truist online banking account. Thanks for watching and see you next time.